You ever hold a phone so thin that it feels like it could slice paper? Yeah, that's where 2026 smartphones are headed. From futuristic foldables to ultra-slim AI flagships, these are the 5 impossibly thin phones that prove we've officially entered the sci-fi era. And if you thought phones couldn't get sleeker, wait till you see number 3. Let's start with one that screams premium, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. Samsung pulled off something wild this year, a flagship that's razor thin but still packs serious power. You're getting 256 gigabytes storage, an AI-optimized processor, a gorgeous ProScaler Edge display, and an all-day battery inside a body that's thinner than most wallets. The curved display literally melts into the frame. No harsh edges, no bulky bezels, just pure futuristic glass. And Samsung's new night video AI actually adjusts color tone and brightness in real time, making night shots look studio-ready without editing. It's stylish, fast, and perfectly balanced, like holding a premium sheet of tech in your hand. Check the description for the Galaxy S25 Edge link. Now, Apple fans, you've been asking for it, and it's finally real. The iPhone Air is Apple's thinnest phone ever, and it somehow still feels more solid than most Androids. It's got 256 gigabytes of storage, a sleek space black aluminum frame, and yes, it's fully unlocked with eSIM only. No SIM tray here. This thing feels almost weightless. Slip it in your pocket and you'll forget it's there, until you open it up and that Apple-tuned OLED panel just hits you with those deep blacks and punchy colors. Pair that with A18 performance and Apple Intelligence integration, and you've got a minimalistic phone that's deceptively powerful. Think of it as the MacBook Air, but in your palm. Find the iPhone Air link in the description. This one blew my mind. The Honor Magic Buy 3 5G is currently the thinnest foldable phone on the planet. When it's closed, it's thinner than some regular phones, but when you unfold it, you get a massive 7.9-inch display that feels like a tablet in your pocket. You've got 12 gigabytes RAM, 512 gigabytes storage, and that clean Android 14 interface running buttery smooth. The hinge feels solid but light, and it closes completely flat. No gap, no creak. I used this for a week while traveling, and the form factor genuinely changed how I use my phone. Multitasking, reading scripts, watching videos, all in one screen that folds into my pocket. It's proof that foldables have finally hit maturity. Check out the Honor Magic Buy 3 link below. Speaking of foldables, Samsung isn't backing down either. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 feels like the foldable we've been waiting for since 2019. It's thinner, lighter, and smarter than ever before, with a massive 512 gigabytes of storage, AI-driven photo editing, and the kind of multitasking experience that makes a tablet jealous. Samsung managed to reduce the hinge thickness, flatten the crease, and boost battery life, all while making it feel premium and pocket-friendly. I love how fluid it is to jump between apps, take notes on the big screen, then fold it up for one-hand use. It's like carrying a workstation that fits in your jeans. Find the Galaxy Z Fold 7 link in the description below. And rounding out the list, the OPPO Find N5, a foldable that gets it just right. It's beautifully balanced, compact, and insanely polished. The 16 gigabyte RAM, 512 gigabyte storage, and Snapdragon flagship processor keep everything fast and fluid. But it's the design that steals the show. The misty white finish gives it that clean, futuristic look, and when it folds, it feels solid. Not delicate like some early-gen foldables. It's GSM only and made for international markets. But man, this one deserves attention. If you've ever wanted a foldable that feels like an art piece, this is it. Check the description for the OPPO Find N5 link. So there you go. The 5 impossibly thin phones that prove design and performance can finally coexist. From Samsung's curved displays to Honor's paper-thin foldable, this is the year smartphones went full sci-fi. All links are in the description. Check them out and tell me in the comments. Which one would you actually carry?